Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PatPat. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about PatPat and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.